Hi, this is Lana with Brush Cosmetics. I'm here tonight to do a tutorial on foundation and blush. I'm going to start by showing you our system, the 3-speed air compressor, and the air stylus. This is a gravity feed stylus, and your product will go in the cup on the top here. So what we're going to do now is you always start with a clean face, and be sure to moisturize because our products are 100% oil free. So after you have cleaned your face and moisturized, you're ready to start. You're going to take the primer, which is the opaque white liquid in the kit, and you're going to place 3 or 4 drops into the stylus cup here. Now you're going to turn your compressor on and put it on the medium setting, holding the gun about 6 inches from your face. You're going to use circular motions to apply the primer. Okay, we're done. Now, on holding the stylus, you're going to hold it like this. Make sure you have your index finger on the trigger, and you're going to apply pressure to the trigger to pull it back, which will release the product. You're only going to pull it about 1/3 of the way back, and of course the further that you pull it back, the more product that is released. But this is something that you want to use light pressure on, and the more you use your system, you'll be better in knowing how much pressure to apply and when to apply it. But about 1/3 of the way back is what I do. So now we're going to move on to concealing, and to conceal we're going to use the lightest color of foundation that comes in your kit. Now with Brush Cosmetics we have 4 different color groups. Our color group number 1 consists of foundations number 1 through 4. This is for very, very fair-skinned women. Color group number 2 is going to have foundations 3 through 6. This is my particular color group, and about 90% of Caucasian women are going to fall into color group number 2. Color group number 3 is going to have foundations 5 through 8. And this is going to be useful for Latino and Asian women. And then we're going to have color group number 4, which is foundations 8 through 11. That's for a darker Latina or African American woman. With all that said, back to concealing. And in my group, number 3 is the lightest color in my kit, and I'm going to use that to work on concealing the dark circles that I have. I'm going to place 2 drops of concealer foundation into the air stylus, and we're going to concentrate on the dark circles. Okay, and once again the compressor is on the medium speed. Now this time I'm moving closer into my skin. We're not 6 inches away, we're probably 2 at this point. And that way I can be more precise with where the makeup is going, and I can really work on concealing my dark circles. Okay, with the dark circles concealed, we're going to move on to foundation. I am 2 different colors for foundation, which most people tend to be. I am 3 drops of number 4 and 1 of number 5. In the summertime, I'm going to go more towards the 5 and the 6, but since it's winter and I'm pretty pale right now, we're going to stick with the 4 and the 5. And I'm going to do 3 drops of number 4 and 1 of number 5. Now we're ready, and once again you're going to hold the gun about 6 inches away from your face, and you're going to move in circular motions. Don't forget your neck. Now we're finished with the foundation and the concealing, and we're going to go to blush. I am going to go with our B1 blush color. I'm trying to get it turned where you can see it. And I'm going to put drops on the blush. Now, it's not necessary to clean the gun in between makeup applications, but you will need to get a tissue, and you're going to spray the residual foundation that's trapped in the tip. You're going to spray it out, and once you see your blush color, then you'll know that you're ready, and that's all you have to do in between your colors instead of cleaning the gun every time. So I'm going to do circular motions, like little circles on my cheekbone. And we're done. I didn't use all of the 2 drops. I had a little bit left. So now I'm going to clean the gun. And to do that, you would typically run it under the sink, but I don't have a sink handy, so I'm just going to fill the cup with water. And I am going to plug the tip of the gun and pull the trigger. And that forces the air backwards through the gun, which cleans it out very well. Then you're going to continue to spray the residual water out of the gun, and I like to take my napkin, tissue, and just wipe out the cup. And now you're done and you're ready for your next application. I hope you found this useful. We will be moving to eyeshadows on our next video. I hope you stay tuned for them. Have a good night.